To hide photos in Google Photos, you need to archive them, which removes them from your main photo grid and albums but still keeps them in your account. Start by opening the Google Photos app on your device and sign in with your Google account. Navigate to the photo you want to hide and select it by tapping on it. You can select multiple photos by tapping on the checkbox icon at the top right corner of each photo. Once you have selected the photos, tap the three-dot menu at the top right corner of the screen and select Archive from the drop-down menu. This will move the selected photos to the Archive folder, which can be accessed by tapping on the menu icon at the top left corner of the screen and selecting Archive. Archived photos are not deleted and can still be accessed and shared from the Archive folder. If you want to unhide a photo, go to the Archive folder, select the photo, tap the three-dot menu, and select Unarchive. It is essential to note that archiving photos does not make them private, and anyone with access to your Google account can still view them. If you want to keep your photos completely private, consider using a third-party Photo Vault app or a secure cloud storage service. Best practices for hiding photos in Google Photos include regularly reviewing your archived photos to ensure you are not storing unnecessary or sensitive information, and being cautious when sharing your Google account with others. By following these steps, you can effectively hide your photos in Google Photos and keep them organized and out of sight. Remember to always prioritize your account security and use archiving as a way to declutter your photo grid, not as a substitute for true privacy and security measures.